Hello everybody, today we'll learn how to plot the trigonometric function tan x on the GeoGebra. I'll double click on the GeoGebra icon. Here appears the GeoGebra screen. I'm going to maximize it. You can shift the coordinate axis in the middle. Yeah. This bottom bar is called as the input bar. The middle one is the graphics where the graph of the function can be seen. Along the left side, you have an algebraic view of the graph or of the input bar, whatever is mentioned comes to your algebraic view. Now let's write the function fx is equal to tan x. So the graph of the function tan x appears in the graphic screen. You can do little changes with the graph, like if I right click on graphics, you can even change the axis. Let's click x-axis, unit, click pi. You will observe that now the x-axis has the units like -2 pi, -pi, 0, pi, 2 pi and 3 pi. If you wish to change the color, right click, object properties. You can change the color of the function. Go for any option of your choice. You can change the style by clicking on style option. You can change to any thickness the way you wish to. Okay. Now this is the graph of the function fx is equal to tan x. In the algebraic view, you can even see the function fx is equal to tan x mentioned. Click on slider, ABC text. This helps you to write down the function. I'll write there fx is equal to tan x. Click on lattice formula, that gives you a nice look to it. Okay, you can change its position to wherever you wish to, like I have placed it here. If I look at this graph, the domain of the function is all real numbers. You can observe it minus certain points. Let's see. The function, if I zoom in or zoom out option, just see carefully. For tan 90, it looks like it is going to meet, but this the graph, it looks that it will meet at infinity. So tan 90 is not defined. Similar manner, just look at tan 3 pi by 2. It looks like the graph is touching the line of 3 pi by 2. It meets it at infinity, it gives you a look. So tan pi by 2 is not defined, tan 3 pi by 2 is not defined. In the same manner, you can look even along the negative x-axis. Now let's try to see in the interval what happens. If I talk about 0 to pi by 2 interval, is my function tan x increasing? You can observe it in the interval 0 to pi by 2, my function is increasing from 0 to infinity. And if I talk about pi by 2 to pi, this interval pi by 2 to pi, it is increasing from minus pi by 2 to pi. If I talk about furthermore pi to 3 pi by 2, it is increasing from 0 to infinity. In the similar pattern, you can see that how does the tan function increases. Now, if I talk about the range of this function, it's going to be the entire y, that is the entire real line r. You can change the function, double click. Suppose I convert this into any. You can try it with different functions. Plus, suppose I do 5. Enter. This is the new graph. So explore it. The more you explore, the better you understand. I'm changing it back to as tan x only. Yeah. In this similar pattern, try out different functions like cot x, secant x and cosecant x to look about graphically how do these functions look and what is the domain and range of those functions. Click on File, go for Save As option, Documents, give it a name as Activity 2, then comma your name and do share it with me.